Hi, welcome to Mujahid's Dev Journey. Today we will learn about Java programming language. Before moving into that, first we will learn some basics like what is programming? What is programming? See, programming is the process of giving instructions to a computer to perform specific tasks. These instructions are written in a programming language like Java, Python, etc. Programming is the process of giving instructions to a computer to perform specific tasks. These instructions are written in a programming language like Java, Python, etc. Think of it as telling the computer step by step what to do. For example, adding two numbers, creating a calculator, building a website. Next, overview of Java. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language. Used for creating web applications, mobile applications, and enterprise solutions. Java is known for platform independence. Write once, run anywhere. Overall. That means Java program can run on any machine that has a JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java programs can run on any platform or any machine that has a JVM, Java Virtual Machine. And object-oriented programming, who focus on using objects that are data plus methods to design applications rich libraries and tools. Java has a wide range of libraries for different tasks. Before moving to the Java programs, first we need to install JDK from Oracle's official website and download the JDK version 17. And after that, after installing JDK, then you have to verify which version you are installing by using the command java-version. And after that, to creating programs, to write the programs, we need IDE, that is IntelliJ or Eclipse. Now, in this session, I will use Eclipse.